Good morning students and welcome back to your EVS class. Yes beta, in our last class we have done worksheet of chapter 9. With the worksheet our chapter 9 healthy habits is completed. Beta, now we will start our new chapter 10 good manners. And what are good manners? The habits that make us good child, a obedient child, that are called good manners. These habits makes us a very obedient child. Do some habits that make us a good child. Okay, before starting this chapter, I want to tell you that this chapter 10 will not come in exam. We will do only a activity based on it. Today we will do activity in the scrapbook. Okay, you have EVS scrapbook now? So we will do activity in the scrapbook. So let us start. Yes beta, now this is our activity for chapter 10 good manners. First of all, in this activity we will do magic words. What are magic words? Thank you, sorry and please are the magic words. And why these are called magic words? Because if you say thank you, if you get something, if you say sorry when you hurt someone, or if you say please when you need something, so they will think, wow, what a lovely child. Okay, so now use of these words I will clear you with the story. Yes beta, now see, once ago there was a little boy. Okay, his name was John. One day he was playing in a park. Okay, and he saw a very big tree with a sign, I am a magic tree. Okay, here you can see there is a big tree. Okay, so once he have seen a big tree on which it was written, this is a magic tree. So little John thinks, wow, this is a magic tree. Then how can I do magic with it? Then the magic tree spoke. If you tell me magic words, I will give you many things. Now little John was thinking, what are the magic words? He said many magic words. Abracadabra, gili gili choo, khulja sim sim, tantra ka mantra and many more. So he want to open the tree's door, but no, it was not opened. The door was not opened. Then little John became very sad and he said, please, dear tree, open the door. What he sees? Suddenly, a big door opened from the trunk of the tree. Okay, he was very surprised that the tree, he tried many words, but the door was not opened. When he said, please, the door opened fastly. Okay, so he got to know that please is a magic word. Then the tree said, if you want to go inside, you have to say another magic word. If you want many things, you have to say second magic word. Now the child think the tree has opened the door for me. I should thank it. So he said, thank you, dear tree. Okay, so the tree was very happy. Suddenly many lights lit up and there was much brightness in the room. And when he walked through a path in that room, he saw big pile of toys and chocolates. He see many chocolates there, many eatables, and he also saw many toys in the tree. Okay, then the little boy was very happy. He went back and called his friends to play with the toys as he cannot play himself alone. So he bring all the friends and they played there with all these toys. Once a toy was broken by a child. Oh, he was very frightened. Now the tree will capture me. But the boy said, don't worry, just say sorry to the tree. The tree is very, very kind. He will forgive you. So John ने बोला, sorry dear tree. So tree was happy again and they played and come back in the evening and they thanked the tree for this lovely treat and toys. Okay children, now you have seen how many magic words are there? Thank you, sorry and please. These are the magic words. Okay, now you have seen these are very important in our life. Okay, now let's see how we can use these magic words. First of all, we should say thank you whenever someone gives you something. Yes, we should thank you. Say thank you. हमें thank you कहना चाहिए whenever somebody gives us any gift or toy or sweets or anything if someone gives us. Okay? Next, say please when you want something from others. Yes, children, you should say please if you want something from someone, like if you want a pencil from your friend, eraser from your friend, or you want water in your home, you should say please give me. Like, Mama, please give me water. Dear friend, please give me pencil. Like this. Okay, you should always say please if you want something. Okay. Always say sorry when you hurt someone. You should say sorry when by mistake you hurt someone. अगर आपसे किसी को चोट लग जाती है तो you should say sorry. Say you are welcome when someone thanks to you. If someone say thank you to you for something, you should say you are welcome. Okay? Say it's okay when someone says sorry to you. If someone asks you sorry, you should say it's okay. Okay, children? These are the use of magic words. Yes, now there are some more good manners that we have to write and we have to follow. Number 1, always speak softly and politely. Yes, children. You should speak softly. बहुत प्यार से बोलना चाहिए आपको. Politely, विनम्रता से बोलना चाहिए. Okay? You should not speak hardly to anyone. Okay? Rudely. Okay? Not hardly, it's rudely to anyone. आपको rudely बात नहीं करना चाहिए. All right? Always greet your elders. Yes, beta. In the morning, you should greet your parents. Good morning. In the afternoon, you should greet them. Or if you meet someone, any uncle or auntie, you should wish them good morning, good afternoon, namaste, hello, etc. Okay. Always be obedient and punctual. Punctual means work on time. Always be obedient. Obedient matlab you should follow your mother and father. If your mother and father tell you something, if your teacher asks you to do something, you should follow them. उनको उनकी बात माननी चाहिए. Okay? If you follow them, you will become a obedient child. आज्ञाकारी बच्चा बन जाओगे आप. Punctual. Be punctual to every work. Punctual means you should do every work on time. Okay? Not बाद में कर लेंगे मम्मा, ऐसा नहीं कहना चाहिए. यू शुड बी पंक्चुअल. अपने हर वर्क के लिए पंक्चुअल बनिए. पंक्चुअल टू योर स्कूल. अगर आपको स्कूल पहुंचना है तो टाइम पे पहुंचिए. आपको कोई भी वर्क करना है वो टाइम पे कीजिए. नेक्स्ट, do not waste the usable things. Yes, beta, you should not waste anything. Like, you should not waste paper, you should not waste eatables, कुछ भी खाने की चीज़ें, you should not waste them. You should not waste water. Okay, you should not waste anything. Next, throw garbage in the dustbin. Yes, beta, always throw garbage in the dustbin. Whenever you are at home, you throw the garbage in dustbin. Whenever you in class, you should throw garbage in the dustbin kept in the class. Or whenever you go to park or any other place, you should throw garbage in the dustbin only. Okay. Put your things at proper place. Yes, beta. If you play with toys, if you study with books, after your work is complete, after you have finished the playing, you should keep your things at proper place. Okay? Don't keep them here or there. Help your parents in household work. Yes, you should help your parents in doing household work. घर के कामों में मम्मा पापा की हेल्प करनी चाहिए. You all are good children now. You should help your parents. Okay. Next, take care of plants and animals. Yes, you should take care of plants and animals. You should grow new plants. And if you have pet animals or you see any animal in the street, you should not harm them. उनको नुकसान नहीं पहुंचाना चाहिए, मारना नहीं चाहिए. Okay, now you have seen these are the good manners. These are the good manners, and you have to write these good manners in your scrapbook. Okay, children, take care. Bye.